Hi, I just wanted to document that this particular tube that we recently received in this shipment here, all these, new tongue saws, in this shipment box here, came. So far, we haven't gotten to installing all the tubes. It's kind of a slow process to retube all the amps, but this is a Mesa 5050, which needs only four 6L6s, and what I'm going to do is demonstrate that this tube, when I plug it in, the bias voltage, negative bias voltage on the control grid is going to drop to 0 once it starts to warm up. So what we see is this amp, it's in standby mode. Here we got the monitor of monitoring the filament voltage, 6.63. Those are the connections to the filament rails there, and right here I've connected between ground here. I've engaged the normal grounding to the chassis switch, and then I've hooked it up to the control grid pin 5 here on the 6L6 right here. Sorry. So as you can see, negative 46 volts. Perfect, right? I'm going to turn it off, remove the tube. Okay, so that one I just removed, and here's the one in question. I'm going to place it in. Okay, fire it up, and what we're going to do, we'll let this voltage settle down, let the cap discharge, and what you should see is when I fire it up, the negative voltage comes up fine. Negative 40, that's about right. And then pretty soon the tube's going to warm up, start conducting, and then that's just going to fall away. Gone. So now there's a short, essentially. No voltage. Okay. That's a problem. That means that tube is shorting. And, furthermore, the purchaser, Scott, described the symptoms that the tubes were glowing bright. This is what's left of the two 100 ohm resistors that are in charge of quieting the 6-volt leads. See right there where they're missing? Yeah. So basically this tube failed, and that's not your fault necessarily, but we sure would like a replacement one. And it just incurred a little bit of repair. So it'd be really sweet if you guys wouldn't mind sending a fresh 6L6. As you can see, this one happened to be number 23, however it is you rate that. And that'd be much appreciated. No, I'm wrong. That was the working tube. The tube that's in question is this one, 22. Okay, thanks a lot. For what it's worth, this is Ryan. I fix our band's amps, and Scott was the one who purchased the tubes. Thanks a lot.